Welcome to the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 drone. I'm a total newbie with drones. I've never owned one before, so if you're a newbie like me and you're wondering how difficult these are to fly, to operate, then stick around, and at the end of the quick unboxing we'll take it outside and we'll do some flying, and hopefully I'll crash it, or even worse, lose it. Now there's two quick points to mention before we carry on. If you cannot find the DJI Fly app on the Play Store, I don't think it's on there anymore, so just go to the DJI website and just get it from there, and make sure your phone is compatible with the DJI Fly app. I've got a Moto G6 and it will not install the app, so take that into account before you buy the drone, because it could be another expense that you wasn't expecting. So let's get on, we'll whisk through this unboxing and we'll get outside and fly it. This is the Fly More combo. Okay, so the first thing, we've got a nice bag to carry everything in. Okay. Okay, there's the controller. And the thumb screws under there. Okay, that's where you're going to mount the phone. Once the phone's mounted, this cable in there that will pull out to plug into the phone. It just feels quality, it just feels well made. Got the charging point there to charge the batteries inside of this. That does feel well made, it's nice. Paperwork, it's got a quick start guide, that's just support. That's for the charging up. Safety guidelines, accessories. Okay, so we have USB charger, different connections for connecting different phones. Another cable there, which is just USB to USB-C. This is going to be the battery pack. You have the charging hub. You've got the LEDs there, which will tell you the state of the batteries and how well they're charged. And we've got a USB out there, which you can use to charge your phone or the controller. And you've got a USB-C there, so you can charge it from the USB charger. Okay, and there we have some spare props. There's two props in each section, and the screws. We have three of those. Spare joysticks in case we lose the others, and then we have a small screwdriver, and then we have the drone itself. Okay, so it comes with a lens cap to protect the lens, to protect the camera when it's not being used. It also comes with this strap that basically so when you pack it away you don't have all the props and stuff swinging around and getting broken, so it can all be packed away. Okay. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. We'll get it set up, we'll get it charged, and we'll take it out for a flight, and hopefully it comes back in one piece. Good morning, we're at Himley Park in the Midlands. I'm going to fly the Mini 2 drone for the first time, and as long as it don't go down in that lake like the Titanic, I'll be happy.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Go home. Landing.